What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 back here with another video, and today we have another pair of New Balance 2002r's. Now I believe this will be the second pair on the channel, and this pair is far worse than the first pair we did on the channel. You guys can see that suede is literally turned brown. I'm not going to say it's turning brown. The suede did turn brown. Really dirty. I'm hoping to clean these up real good though. It shouldn't be too hard. It just seems like a lot of dirt, but I don't think anything's like rubbed in too much, none of that. Bottoms aren't too bad, but they are bad. But overall, it should be a good cleanup video, and we should get some great results. So let's get right into it. Alright, so for the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'll drop a discount link in the comments. There's 2 squirts there. I have the bowl filled up like halfway. I'm going to use a little bit of Dawn dish detergent, and that's going to be our cleaning solution. And because it is a lot of dirt on the shoes, I'm going to be using a medium texture brush instead of a soft texture brush, which is also okay anyway. And we're going to have to end up renapping, like going over the suede anyway. So I'm going to start at the tongue and make our way around the entire shoe. Alright, now it's time to clean up the outsole area, the midsole area you guys see over here. And I'm going to use my brass bristle brush with the same solution. I'm just going to go like so. Alright guys, it is now time to go over the suede. I have my suede eraser here, I have my suede brush, and I have a brass bristle brush just in case. But pretty much I have them. I have a shoe tray in there for some stability. We're using my suede eraser. I'm just gonna go around all the edges pretty much, and as you guys can see, once I do that, it lifts up the nap, and I can rub it back and forth again. Just use my suede brush, just brush it back and forth, and that's pretty much it. So we should do this around the entire shoe. We'll come back and lace them up, and then we should be finished. So if you guys remember, this like area right here was like super dirty, and I was kind of getting frustrated with it, so I just used some 1200 grit sandpaper, sanded it down a little bit, went over it with the brass bristle brush, used my suede eraser, and then used my suede brush, and I pretty much got it to match the rest of the shoe. So just a little tip, if you guys are struggling, get some sandpaper, sand it down, use something like rough to rub it through, then suede erase it, and just brush it off. Alright guys, the shoes are completely finished. You guys remember when they came in, they looked like they just been ran through a whole bunch of dirt, baseball tryouts, something, but the shoes came out super clean. I'm glad we ended up doing this cleanup video. The bottoms are stained, remember it is foam, but regardless, uppers came out super fresh. Suede is nice and textured again. If you guys want this treatment done to your own pair, DM my IG at Dirtiest. If you have any questions or concerns, drop a comment, DM me. I'm always happy to help. Like, share, and follow, and I will see you guys in the next one.